This nigga is snoring his ass off. Just damn.
And I normally don't remove that. First, I wanted to say that when you, I've watched my wife go through everything. It's been painful. She tried to kick me in the head once.
This is why nigga can't sleep. 'Cause this motherfucker.